The very first commandment in this blessed verse is Adal, which translates to justice. Adal means fairness, equality, giving people what they deserve and never taking away what belongs to them. In our society, we look at this in a pretty straightforward way. Don't wrong anyone, give everyone their due, and treat people equally. But in Islam, the concept of Adal goes much deeper. Its true meaning is incredibly vast. This includes justice between a man and his God, justice toward one's own self, and justice between fellow human beings. Now, what does justice toward Allah actually means? It has two main aspects. First, it means believing in Allah exactly as He deserves to be believed in, and having faith in Him the way He has introduced Himself to us. Believing in Allah's existence is Adal. Accepting Him as the one and only with no partners is Adal. Recognizing that He alone is worthy of worship is Adal. Understanding that He alone is the master of life and the sole controller of gain and loss is Adal. Placing the kind of absolute trust in Allah that should never be placed in anyone else is Adal. And finally, offering Him the kind of love and obedience that belongs to Him alone and to no one else is what truly Adal means towards the divine. To deny this is an act of grave injustice, because it is Allah's absolute right to be recognized and accepted. Associating partners with Allah is the ultimate injustice. Shirk means equating anyone or anything with Allah in any capacity. For example, the unique fear we hold for Allah should never be felt for anyone else. Ultimately, the true sign of believer is that absolute deepest, most intense love in his heart is reserved solely for Allah.